Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is August the 16th, 2021, and I'm going to talk about Algorand today. I want to see if this particular cryptocurrency is going to join the crypto rally that so many other altcoins have experienced over the last 2 weeks. For some reason, Algorand has not really participated into the market move higher in price. You guys can see from our price chart, we already did a price prediction. Yes, the market has went the way that we expected it to go, but it hasn't went as far as some other cryptocurrencies in the space today. Let's figure out why. So if you guys want to join us, if you appreciate the content, if you appreciate us giving you the ability to get in position and win and dominate in this cryptocurrency space, then follow us. Join our community, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to our particular channel. We would definitely enjoy you all coming on board so that you can participate, learn as much as possible so that you can do this for yourself and that you can win on your own without being dependent on someone else giving you this information. So let's talk about this real quick, because I've been noticing the charts and I've seen some other cryptocurrencies out in this space have done a phenomenal job of going higher in price. But then I come and look at Algorand and I see that the market is not really participating in the way that some other altcoins are. I wonder why. One of the things that you need to remember is that we need to treat every market as an individual market. You cannot try to combine all of these cryptocurrencies into one market. Now, yes, there is times to where the majority of altcoins move in the same direction, but not on the same magnitude. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, XRP have seen substantial growth over the last couple of weeks. But then you look at this altcoin right here, Algorand. Yeah, it's moved higher, but it hasn't been massive comparative to those other cryptocurrencies that I've just named. So looking at the performance from a couple of weeks ago versus our last price prediction, I mean, 14.5% is great. It's fantastic. Even if we were to get out right now, 19.75. So excellent call. We were still in position to capitalize and eat off the market move, but some people would like to have eaten more, basically, from the other markets, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, or ADA. Those, you could have eaten a lot more off the play if you'd have placed your soldiers into that market, right? If you'd have went into those stores and you'd have came out substantially more profit than what we got right now in Algorand. But it's cool. I mean, we appreciate the profitability. We appreciate the 19.75% or 14% that we've garnered since our last price prediction, which was right here on the 1st of August. So let's get rid of it. So now let's see. Okay, because from our last price prediction, we created these two horizontal lines on a chart. We expected the price in Algorand to really trade within that arena, and it has for the most part. But now you guys can see that we have broken out of this trading channel. So where we have this horizontal line right here is no longer applicable. We need to move it to where we can benefit from it and try to gauge where the market is going to turn. Okay, so let me go ahead and move this line higher. So now I'm going to take this ascending line up here for Algorand, okay, which is around $1.10. That is the newest area of restriction that we can expect the market to try to turn from going higher to one of going lower in price. All right. Next thing, since the market in Algorand has confirmed 70 cents as support, okay, as we go throughout the rest of 2021, 2022, from here on out, price has to stay above 70 cents in order for us to really maintain the ability to go higher. Okay. We've confirmed 70 cents 4 times. That is a viable price level that we need to pay attention to. It's right there. So going forward, remember 70 cents. Now what I want to do is I want to show you all the current trend that the market in Algorand is currently on. Because like I said, we need to track where we're expecting this price to go. And if any situation, as we see this market trade on this ascending line or even here on our restriction line, we have to be careful. We have to pay attention to see what occurs. Because right now we're on the move to hit this restriction price of $1.10. So if anything, we can expect the price to try to reach up there towards $1.10 over the next couple of days. That is relatively simple and easy to see. The charts don't lie. The market is trying to hit that $1.10 price. Okay, so let's see the market on a different time frame then. This is the 3-day time frame into the market in Algorand, and so far the market is healthy. It is decent. I don't see that much weakness panning out right now in the market in Algorand. So the anticipated movement in Algorand is still one of higher price. Let's keep it real. Let's keep it a buck, right? Look at the volume. The volume over the last 6 days has been exceedingly higher than what we were for the month of July. The volume in Algorand during the month of July is literally dry compared to the last 6 days alone. Ask yourself the question, why is that? Let's see how the market in Algorand ended out the week. Take a look right here. We did a phenomenal job of moving this price in Algorand from 81 cents or 80 cents to a high of $1.02. So within 1 week, the price in Algorand went from 80 cents to $1.02. Excellent job to the trap, right? He moves the market. It is his job to anticipate and allow this price to continue to go higher. Now, from a weekly perspective, I can even see the price in Algorand come up here towards $1.20. That is also on the table in a further out time frame or time horizon. We can still see the price in Algorand shoot up there to $1.20 right there. So let's run it. Okay, the first area that we need to be prepared to take profit will be around $1.10. That will have to be the first area, because that is where the first location that we will be expecting the market to turn. Next area is going to be $1.20. So it's all about your time preference. How long are you prepared to stay in the play? Now, if you're a long-term trader, then this is not applicable to you. If you're holding these particular currencies for 100 years, this has no point. You should not even be watching these particular type of videos where people are garnering price predictions, because it's impossible to do a price prediction 100 years out. But you actually got people out in the world telling you to hold on to these products for 100 years. So let's do it. Let me run the play real quick. So go ahead and grab the bag and then move on to the next play. And we'll bring this down just a tad. Bring it back. Bring this here. So now, I said that we're going to anticipate the price in Algorand to go higher. And the first area that we said that we need to be on guard to grab some profits would be right there around $1.10. Maybe not $1.10 exactly, a little shy below that number. That gives us 8.75% profitability right there. Okay. Now, I told you that the ultimate area, looking from a weekly perspective, it's right there around $1.20. So we could eat on both levels. So hopefully you got your place ready to grab the money from the trap as they continue to try to increase its price. I'm going to bring our area of support up here just a tad high, around 85 cents. So that literally means as this market in Algorand continues to trade, if we don't break below 85 cents, we're going to continue to go on with the forecast to allow this price to go higher. Simple. Okay. So this is the play. This is what we're expecting the market to do in Algorand. And now I want you to tell me, let me know, seriously, tell me with a comment in the comment section as to where you're expecting this price in Algorand to go in the next 3 weeks. In the next 3 weeks, what will the price be? Because we could eat off 19.5% and then move on to another profitable play. This is what we do. We predict, we win, and we profit. Simple. So hit us up. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.